Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to review this guitar, Ibanez Destroyer DT400, 1981. Show reel. Welcome back to another episode. So first of all, I will talk about the neck. It's a maple neck with a rosewood fretboard. It has medium jumbo frets. Sadly, it's not 100% standard. The owner changed both pickups. It has a Bartolini passive pickup V88 in the bridge position, and a Seymour Duncan Invader from the 1980s on the neck position. Very, very good pickups though. He as well, back in the day, changed the standard bridge for a Washburn Japanese kind of Floyd Rose bridge. So it was more up to date than back in the day. As well, he added like a active circuit operated with a 9-volt battery. So we're going to talk about that later when I do some demos of how it sounds and everything. The other thing, the body, it's made of mahogany, and the top is a flame tiger or something like that. It's very mild, and it's sunburst, of course, cherry sunburst. So sound-wise, the instrument sounds more like a Gibson. Actually, Ibanez started in 1975, they started doing like copies of Gibson guitars. So they did, first they did the Explorer, you know, the one like James Hetfield uses. And then they got a lawsuit from Gibson, so they redesigned the guitar and came out with this, the Ibanez Destroyer. You know, we have famous players that use this actual model. Eddie Van Halen on the first record, and Adrian Smith, a Number of the Beast tour with Iron Maiden. But his was a DT300. I don't know what the difference is, but well, there you go. It has one volume knob and a tone knob and a 3-way switch. So you can see that in this position, like going in that direction, it has the bridge pickup. Then the second position is both of them together. And then on the other direction of the neck, we have the neck pickup. The neck feels like your Gibson guitar, really. And it sounds like a Gibson guitar a little bit, you know. The neck pickup have that iconic riff, right? I don't know, every time that I think about Gibson, Slash comes to mind really quick. Bridge pickup, you know, very like metal. You get the idea. It's kind of heavy. It's a heavy guitar, but the nice thing about it, it has very good balance. I was trying it with the strap, and it was really good balance. As difference, for example, a Jackson Kelly that is not very good with balance. That goes always dive in with this one has pretty good balance. It's a very balanced, good balanced guitar. You get these Japanese guys, they know what they're doing. So let's try with a clean tone, the neck pickup. Really cool. Both pickups. pickup. Let's see how it sounds. The other modification that the owner did was to add like, I would say like a kind of a overdrive thing to boost the signal. So let's see how it works. Not very good. It makes a lot of noise. Let's see how it works when we play. Let's say it's something really good, something that you can use. Pretty cool. Ibanez Destroyer DT400. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and please leave your comments down below. And see you in another episode next week. Show reel!